In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Substack app. If you've ever wanted a simple way to keep up with your favorite writers and discover new voices, Substack makes it easy. Let's walk through the basics so you can start reading right away and make the most of your time in the app. Begin by opening the Substack app. When it loads, you'll land on your home feed. Think of this feed as your personalized reading list. It pulls in the latest posts from the newsletters you already follow, organizing them so the newest items are right at your fingertips. Take a moment to scroll. You'll see headlines, short previews, and publication names that give you a quick sense of what each post is about. If your feed looks a little quiet, that just means you haven't followed many publications yet, and we'll fix that in a moment. When something catches your eye, tap the post to open and read the full article. Inside the post, you'll get the complete piece, along with any images or formatting the author included. Settle in and read at your own pace. When you're finished, simply head back to your feed to continue browsing. This rhythm, scan the feed, open a post, read and return, keeps your experience focused and distraction-free. To expand what shows up in your feed, use the search feature to find new newsletters, authors, or topics. Look for the search option in the app, then type a word, a writer's name, or a subject you care about, anything from technology, food, and culture to health, education, or personal finance. Your results will show relevant publications and content, helping you quickly discover what aligns with your interests. This is a great way to build a feed that feels uniquely yours. When you find a publication you'd like to follow, tap subscribe. Subscribing is how you add that publication to your reading mix. From that point on, new posts from that publication will appear in your home feed, so you won't have to hunt them down. You can subscribe to as many publications as you like, and over time, your feed will become a steady stream of writing tailored to you. That's all you need to get started. Open the app, browse your home feed, tap a post to read it. Use search to discover more, and tap subscribe to follow the publications you love. Enjoy exploring and happy reading.